Greetings my little mortals, it is me, Appy, and today I got some cabin fever in hell. Because of this cabin fever, I have teamed up with the devil and forensic to create a demolition derby in a Tennessee park. But I know what you are thinking. Appy, isn't this demolition derby going to be dangerous? Yeah, cars will get all smashed up, burst into flames, and I will also do my best to run over some kids. Those little dicks. I didn't waste my time in a stinky but ye all call it study room. I studied some forbidden subjects at Harvard University. You know that. Hey forensic, I would like you to also drive a demolition derby race car. Deal or no deal?
Deal. I don't care if my car bursts into flames. I'll be having tons of fun squashing little mortals flat like fresh cakes.
Great news, forensic. All the children and their parents have arrived. Humanity sucks, and children are the future of humanity. So squish, squash and trample over as many kids as possible with me.
Understood. Happy Appy. Let's go.